Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Hard Rock bet how to apply bonus bet. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Applying a bonus bet on Hard Rock bet allows you to place a wager without risking your own funds. To utilize a bonus bet, what you need to do is head over and open up your Hard Rock bet app, and then once you are there, select your state and then be sure to be logged in with your credentials as well. Now once logged into your account, what you need to do is browse the available sports and events. Choose the market you wish to wager on by clicking on the corresponding odds, simply like this, and then select the bonus bet. And now once you select a bet, in the bet slip, look at the option to use a bonus bet. Select the bonus bet you want to apply to this wager and then review the bet details to ensure accuracy. Submit the bet. The stake will be covered by the bonus bet, meaning your personal funds are not at risk. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.